Welcome to AI channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how artificial intelligence can help you relight your images. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming AI tools. Go to Clipdrop website by clicking on the link which I haven't provided in the description. Once you arrive at the website, begin the image upload process. Once the image is uploaded, you will notice a small circle on it. Click on that circle to adjust the brightness by increasing the radius or diameter of the circle. Should you desire additional lighting effects, select the New Light option and pick your preferred color. To enhance the brightness of the entire image, simply click on the Ambient option, which will increase the illumination of the surrounding areas in the image. In case if you only require light without the background in the image, navigate to the background settings and uncheck Receive Light and Transparent options. Indeed, besides these options, you have access to additional features like background removal, image upscaling, imperfection cleanup, and more. Let's take a look at each of these features one by one and see how we can use them. Let's start with the Remove Background option. When you click on it, the tool will automatically remove the background, and you can compare the before and after by sliding the pointer line left and right. Once you are satisfied with the image, proceed to download it. However, for now, let's move on to the next option to explore another exciting feature. Now, let's check out the Enhance and Upscale option. Click on Enhance to upscale your image. After clicking, you'll notice the changes, and if it's not obvious, use the pointer line to compare. Moving on to the next feature, Clean up imperfections. This option allows you to selectively clear specific portions of the image. Use the brush tool to eliminate any undesired areas. Once your image looks perfect, go ahead and download your high-definition masterpiece. I'm glad this was helpful for you. I'll be back with more useful AI tools in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.